Facebook land, Instagram land, and you guys, YouTube land. Well, did you miss me or no? It's your boy Mark Mascarenas once again with another maddening topic with Shit Chat. Well, today I've got to talk about our dear Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Well, let's see what the people of Mumbai, especially the girls, have to say to our beautiful Prime Minister and whether they have any feelings. So let's find out, babes. Do you all know who Mr. Modi is?
President of India.
Prime Minister.
Prime
Pagal.
Minister.
Anyways, do you think Mr. Modi is the hottest politician around right now?
Yes. Not talking about the hottest, but the respectable, I would call upon it's Prime Minister Modi.
I don't think so because
Why?
थोड़ा old fashioned types का है वो.
Okay, he's not a very mod. Well, do you consider Mr. Modi to be the hottest politician right now?
Yes.
What about what one thing about it? What makes him hot?
His dressing sense,
Okay, and
his personality,
and
way of talking. We know that.
his work, way of talking, and
It will improve the country.
all
The
right.
growth of India is strong.
The way he talks, the way he words, like
Okay, what makes him the hottest politician right now?
Currency change.
What would be the one thing or two things or something that would attract a woman towards Mr. Modi? I've got answers like his voice, the way he commands shit.
Like his passion for his work, maybe.
How can you justify that?
Like we know Manmohan Singh, our former Prime Minister. He didn't really do shit during his time.
Yeah, he was just chilling.
But like I feel he's not as corrupt, Mr. Modi.
Yeah.
And he tries to be a good Prime Minister, try to work for the...
his spontaneity. Spontaneity, I would say that he made decisions real quick. Like this demonetization, it just came. Like,
Hi, I want your money.
Yeah.
I'll give you new shit, but I want your
It wasn't
money.
even hi, like, give me your money. That's all. There was no time to even think about. It was a big show.
So it's-
Personally, I adore his speeches. It's like
So his
when-
voice and the way he
yeah.
presents himself.
No, he is a damn good orator.
Okay.
It's like when it's his speech, it's like everybody in my family is glued to the television.
Exactly, the same thing happens in my place.
It's very simple. His power.
Simple and power, two very deadly combinations.
Yeah.
Powerful voice, he's having a powerful voice.
Some-
Speech.
What about his speech? Is it
Will
motivating?
impress the audience directly.
Okay.
Motivated.
Very motivating as well.
Yeah, motivated.
like his speeches. I have not seen much, but one or two, but it is good one. और जैसे भी अभी तो ऐसा हो गया है कि जब मोदी बोलना शुरू करे तो
सब लोग शांत हो जाते हैं.
Like for example, on 31st he gave the speech and I think that was motivating enough.
Definitely it was. If somebody has to ask for Mr. Modi ka haath to become forever his, what would be that one thing or two things or several things जो देखे attract होके शादी का हाथ तक मांग रहे? अगर आप लोग में से कोई, if you all want to, or hypothetical,
He is the PM of the country.
Okay.
Definitely his wife very lucky.
तो इसको तो पकड़ लूँ मैं.
He has a very, very good personality. It's not about only as a prime minister, but even as a person.
Actually, he is good by being prime minister.
And person to get on a marriage status, on a marriage board thing, I would personally judge, body language, his attire, the way he responds in front of thousands of the people and carry himself.
He is good person and he belongs from Gujarat and I too belong from
Yeah,
Gujarat.
girl, full खून खोल गया तेरा तो.
I am too from Gujarat.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she's like, yes, Modi.
Yeah.
And do you love the way or like the way he's running the country?
Mr. Modi is doing very good, as far as I know.
He's a good person.
He's a good politician. And that's it.
Yeah.
Do you love your Prime Minister?
I do.
I love my Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
I love my Prime Minister.
I love my prime minister.
Well, that was Mumbai's take on Mr. Modi and their Prime Minister. Well, what do you feel about your Prime Minister? Do you love your Prime Minister? Comment, like and subscribe the channel Shit Chat. Over and out. Bye.